Hinahanap mo bang property na may 4 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath, spacious for living and dining area, kitchen with service area, may balcony, and may provisions for 2 carport? Then, welcome to your future home here in Anyana Village. Hi, I'm Manilyn Garrido, your trusted real estate salesperson from Dreamhouse Realty. Magandang araw mga ka-Dreamhouse, lalo na sa mga OFWs or business owner na naghahanap ng property dito sa Anyana Village, which is here located in Barangay San Jamayor, Tanza, Cavite. Another house tour naman tayo kung saan i-feature ko sa inyo yung New York model dito na isa sa mga property dito sa Anyana Village. Then, let's start the house tour, guys. So, a New York model, which has a lot area of 125 square meter, while the floor area is 130.25 square meter. This actual turnover, by the way, guys. So, later, ipapakita ko po sa inyo yung model dress-up unit. And by the way, they have two options na makapili ka kung anong color type na gusto mong property. Either mustard or either light gray po. Doon available ang light gray. So, we have an options that. So, now, let's proceed the house tour. So, again, this is the front yard of your property which has around 3 meters. So, dito pa lang sa front nyo, pwede kayong mag-mini garden like dito sa, sa sample dito sa model, as a unit, dito, meron siyang ginagana as a landscape. But upon turnover, soil lang po siya pagka turnover po. So, now, let's check naman dito the carport. So, ito yung space mo for the carport. Actually, kaya po siya or kasya siya for 2 cars po. Even sedan or SUV, kasya-kasya po dito. Now, let's proceed naman the setback. So, we have available space here around 2 meters. So, dito sa 2 meters space mo dito sa likod, pwede mo siya gawin dito service area or laundry area. You have another option naman if you want to move backward, pwede po para more space yung sa loob po. Then again, 2 meter setback po ang available space natin dito. Now, balik naman tayo sa harap po. So, again, this is your carport. So, akasya po dito yung 2 cars po. So, okay naman natin dito sa loob. So, upon entering, again, this is the actual turnover. So, yun. So, before tayo papasok sa main door natin, ng property dito sa New York model, meron po tayo dito 60 by 60 ceramic tiles. So, included na po siya upon turnover. Now, so, yung door naman natin dito, which is a main door, metal panel door with double lock set. So, this is the complete turnover, guys. So, again, the floor area is 130.35 square meter. So, again, the floor natin dito, by the way, complete turnover na po siya. So, kung ano po makikita nyo sa property nito, ito na po yung expected na i-deliver upon turnover. So, again, this is a floor na ceramic tiles na po siya, which is 60 by 60. Then, yung floor ceiling natin, mas mataas than the standard ng ceiling natin. Then, we have also here the window. So, yung window natin dito, powder-coated aluminum with clear glass. Actually, sliding siya, na-open siya. So, maganda siya for good ventilation and for natural light. Now, meron dito yung mga switch dito, naka-ready na for the lighting. Then, nakaabang na din po dito yung mga outlets. And if ever gusto nyo po maglagay ng aircon, naka-ready na po yung outlet dito. So, since ito yung first floor nyo po, may idea ka na po na this is your living room, while this is your dining room. Since dito po yung kitchen natin. So, yung kitchen natin dito, Granite counter type na po yung materials na ginagamit nila dito. So, isa sa premier quality yung granite. Then, yung naka-double tab na yung stainless sink natin with ghost neck faucet na din po siya. Then, of course, we have also here sa kitchen mo, meron na din po tayong clear glass window. Powder coated aluminum po with clear glass. So, another source of natural light and good for ventilation na din. Then, by the way, meron na din po tayo dito, another window or clear glass window dito. Sliding window type na din po siya. Now, let's check naman the toilet and bath. So, the toilet and bath natin, actually, malawak talaga ang toilet and bath natin. So, included na po dito yung toilet and bath, shower. Then, meron na din po siya naka-ready na outlet. If ever mag-install kayo dito ng heater, yan, naka-ready na po yung outlet dyan. Then, we have also here the lagaya ng sabon or any which each HCG brand. So, isa sa mga pinagkakatiwalaan na brand pagdating sa mga materials po. Then, we have also here the tissue holder. So, naka-ready na po siya. So, paglagay na lang ng tissue. Then, we have also here the water closet. Then, toilet and bowl. Lavatory. Then, we have also dito window for natural light. And also, of course, for good for ventilation na din po. Now, by the way, meron din po siyang tiles dito. So, 30 by 30 ang size ng tiles dito hanggang dito po. Then, the rest of your toilet and bath, fully painted na po siya. Now, let's check naman, by the way, PVC door type yung mga door ng mga toilet natin dito. Now, pagdating naman sa circuit breaker, andito lang naman po nakalocate sa likod ng service area ng door at saka paglabas ng toilet and bathroom po. Now, check naman natin yung service area sa likod nyo. So, ito yung service area, which is pinakita ko na ito sa inyo kanina, na which has a 2 meter setback, na pwede mo siya gawing service area, laundry area, para at least nakabukod yung mga other activities niyo po. Then, pakita ko lang po sa inyo ulit na yung access going to your carport or your lanai area. So, now, check naman natin, or back to loob naman po tayo, para pakita ko sa inyo yung another included dito sa property na to. So, this is another part of your first floor. Meron pa tayo dito, before tayo aakyat sa hagdan, meron pa tayong another space dito sa likod ng property mo. Pwede mo siya as an ideal, pwede mo siya gawin as storage area or another interior design. Now, check naman natin yung first bedroom, which bedroom 1. So, dito sa bedroom 1, yun, fully painted na din po siya. 60 by 60 yung tiles natin, yung floor. Then, yun, same lang din po. Yung ceiling natin, mas mataas than a standard natin po, height. Then, we have also here the window. Actually, pwede po siya ma-open para good for ventilation and source of natural light. Then, outlets, naka-ready na din po yung mga outlets natin dito. Yan, naka-ready na din po siya. Then, yung door natin, wooden type naman siya, but a quality type naman po. Now, let's check naman the second floor po. But, before akit to second floor po, napapansin nyo, yung footstep ng hagdan natin dito is wooden type, but very or premium quality po. Then, the hagdan natin, metal hand railings na din po siya na super good ang quality. So, kaya garantisado na matibay yung mga materials na ginagamit dito. Now, going to second floor. So, ito yung second floor ng unit mo. So, as you notice po, yung floor natin dito, vinyl type, same, very good or premium quality. So, itong second floor natin, meron din po tayong toilet and bath as a common na pwede mag-share ang bedroom 2 and bedroom 3. So, now, same lang din po yung features dito doon sa ground floor na toilet and bath. Meron na po siya naka-ready na shower, toilet bowl with water closet, lavatory, may window na din po siya. Then, if ever yun, mag-install po kayo ng heater, nakaabang na din po or naka-ready na po yung outlet natin. May lagay na din po tayo ng sabon dito. Then, may tissue holder na din. And of course, yung tiles natin dito, 30 by 30 ceramic tiles hanggang dito po. Then, the rest, fully painted na po siya. Now, check naman natin yung bedroom number 2. So, ito yung bedroom number 2 natin. So, meron na po siyang dalawang clear glass window na malalaki open. Then, yun, naka-vinyl type na din po yung floor natin. Tapos, yung ceiling natin, mataas naman po siya. Then, nakabang na din po dito yung mga outlets. So, actually, dalawa pong outlet dito. Then again, same lang din po yung door natin sa mga dito, exit sa main door. So, ito is a wooden type, but a premium quality naman po. Now, check naman natin yung bedroom 3. Bedroom 3 po. So, ito yung bedroom 3 natin. Again, wooden type, premium quality. Nakaabang na po yung mga outlets. Fully painted na po. Mataas po yung ceiling natin than a standard. Then, meron na po tayong window dito which are clear glass na pwede mo siya ma-open. Good for source of natural light and good for ventilation po. Now, check naman natin yung master bedroom. So, ito yung master bedroom natin, guys. Very spacious. Napapansin nyo, sobrang ganda ng ambience kasi yung window natin, kitang-kita yung neighborhood mo. So, since yung neighborhood natin, minsan sa community ganito guys, very, ang ganda yung ambience, maganda yung ramdam mo yung peaceful at tahimik. So, yun. So, ito yung natin, window natin, which is powder-coated aluminum with clear glass. Actually, na-open po to siya para pasok labas yung natural light and good for fresh air na din po. So, yan. So, meron na din tayo another window dito. Check naman natin yung toilet and bath. Yun. Ito yung master bedroom natin, may sarili po siyang toilet and bath. Of course, same lang din po. Meron po siyang shower, toilet and bowl with water closet, lavatory, lagay ng sabon, tissue holder, and meron na po siya naka-reading outlet if ever mag-install po kayo dyan ng heater po. Of course, naka-tiles na po siya with a 30 by 36 ceramic tiles hanggang dito. Then the rest, fully painted na po siya. Now, by the way, yung toilet and bath natin, yung door nito is a PVC type. Now, by the way, so yung ceiling natin po dito, same, mas mataas kaysa standard, kahit hindi yung feeling pa nasusuffocate ka. So, sobrang ganda dito. Now, since ito yung master bedroom, meron din, aside from toilet and bath, na meron siyang access. So, meron din po siyang sariling access to the balcony. Here. So, ito po yung balcony mo in your master bedroom. So, yung floor natin dito is naka 60 by 60 tiles, ceramic tiles. Then, yung metal na din po yung grills natin po. Then, itong window natin dito, which is your bedroom number 3, nakaharap dito sa labas. So, nakalabas po. So, ngayon, this is the property which is a model, New York model dito sa Anyana Village. Ngayon, ipapakita ko naman sa inyo yung model dress-up unit para ma-idea kayo how it looks kung if meron na pong interior design and mga furnitures po. Now, check naman natin ang model dress-up unit. Hi guys! So, papakita ko naman sa yung model dress-up unit ng New York model. So, tara guys! So, ito yung front yard ng unit, no? So, ito yung ginawa niya as a landscape. Now, check naman natin sa loob. So, this is the model dress-up unit. Tara, check niyo po. This is a living area. Imagine, this is the actual pag may mga gamit na. And this is your dining area with your kitchen. This is interior design. Naglagay na sila ng mga cabinets. Then, this is your toilet and bath. Now, let's check the bedroom one. Now, this is ideal sa ibaba ng hagdan niyo po. Check naman natin second floor before going sa taas. And sa po hand railings, ginawa nila is glass type yung hagdan nyo or yung hawakan. Then, the interior design, ginawa nilang glass type or mirror type. So, sobrang napaka-classy. Now, let's proceed to the second floor. This is a bedroom 2. Since this is a modern dress-up unit, ito yung ginawa nila sa bedroom 2. If ever may mga bisita kayo, here. Toilet and bath, a common toilet. This is a bedroom 3, if ever may mga kids kayo. This is a master bedroom. Now check the toilet and bath. Now, this is your access going to your balcony. So this is your access, this is your balcony. If you want to purchase this property and to schedule the tripping, if you want to see the actual model dress-up unit and actual turnover, message nyo lang po ako para ma-assess ko po kayo. Again, I'm Maniling Garrido, your trusted real estate salesperson from Dream House Realty. See you soon. Thank you, Dream House.